Alright guys, so today we are going to be making empanadas. There will be beef and cheese empanadas, and we also have beans because my girl's a vegetarian. I said if I can get this glove on, we'll be ready to go. So you want to start? Here we have my lovely assistant. What's your name?
Janeda.
Alright.
Hello.
And I'm Jay. Go, so with our first empanada, here we have our disc. You can just find these wherever, Food Lion,
The grocery store.
any grocery store, they're definitely available.
99 at its finest.
Alright, so we start with our disc. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a vegetarian one first.
Beans first.
Yes, so here we have our black beans. They've been seasoned with adobo and sazon, a little bit of black pepper. So you just take a nice little scoop, you might need to. Get it right here in the middle. Try not to drop it. Get a little bit of cheese on this. Alright, so then we're going to go ahead and close it up. It doesn't have to be perfect, just as long as it's closed all around. Alright, now if you do not have a fork or anything down that you can press it with to give it the little seal that you normally see, just use your fingers and press a little bit tighter than normal. And so here we have it, an empanada. And once we get to the kitchen, score the top, and then we'll fry it.
Now what we're going to do is a regular empanada.
Which is the ground beef. And the ground beef has been cooked in the same thing that the black beans were cooked in. A little bit of sazon, adobo, black pepper,
So,
a little bit of salt, just a pinch.
can I add beans too?
And you can also add beans. There you go. It ain't gotta be crazy. Sometimes the beans can go on the side. I like mine on the side. I think you might have overstuffed that one. That's gonna be one thick empanada.
Sure.
Alright. Make sure you seal it all the way around. There you go. Get the good stuff in there.
And that's what it looks like.
Alright. Got pinch it. Okay, see, she's gonna go with the fork method. She's gonna really seal it.
This is hot. Yeah.
Alright. Boom. There you go. Now that's the empanada for you.
Now we're going to fry it.
And usually the oil is hotter than this. Being as though we're not too hot right now, it's gonna take a little bit longer than 5 minutes. But it's okay because it's definitely worth the wait. Maybe 3. Oh snaps. Okay. Yes. Give it a little flip. Each side evenly. Oh yes, that's perfect. This is gonna cook this baby early. It's ready to bust on open. And here we have it. You can get them as a light or dark as you want, but this will be the finished product.